Hello, it's Rachel at Autoline Toyota, and today I'm going over some key features on your Smart Key. Most of our vehicles come with the Smart Key system, so it's just a fob and it unlocks and locks based on the proximity of the vehicle. To unlock the vehicle, you just have to have the fob on your person, put your hand here on the handle, and it will unlock. If you want to lock the door, you simply just tap right here. There's two lines, and you tap, and then it will lock. One of the key benefits of the Smart Key system is you cannot lock this key in the car. I'm going to open the car, toss it in. I'm going to tap the lock handle here, and the car will just give you a beep, letting you know you've left the fob inside. Or, if you do lock it from the lock and close the door, after 1 second, it'll beep and automatically unlock the vehicle.